Hi guys, in today's video I'm making a tiny boss braid, not regular big boss braid. This boss braid I'm using color 33 extension to make this braid. Watch the video to the end and it's going to give us this bone straight vibe. The bone straight vibe is wow. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like what I'm doing here. Subscribe to my channel, please share this video and don't forget to like and drop your comment. If you need something like this, drop your comment. It can be delivered to you anywhere. Thanks for watching.